Hey guys, Chris from redesigning. Today, I'm going to show you how to remove the OEM plate holder and replace it with our OEM plate holder delete kit. Let's go. I'm just going to talk about the problem first. So you bought a new GR Corolla, you've got your plates on, but look, you've got this ugly big black box that's one, it's too tall, and also too narrow. It's really ugly and not clean. So we have a solution for that. We can replace this with our mounting system, and I'm going to show you how all that works. Okay, so before we started, I'll just show you what comes in the kit. So in the kit, you'll get the mounting blocks. Now this essentially will replace the big box that's on the car. So you get rid of that, replace it with this. It also comes with vertical adjusters. So this bolts onto the mounting blocks, and this will give you a vertical adjustment. Now, this is really important because this will allow you to center the plate where you feel is right for you. Especially if you've got big JDM plates or full-size plates, you really want to get the height just right to suit your car. Now, once that's on the car, the mounting system is paired up with our mounting bracket. So we sell brackets for slimline, standard, JDM plates as well. So you pair this up with the mounting system, and that will replace the whole factory ugly plastics on the car. So now I will show you how to put this on. Okay, first step is to take off the plate as well as the factory plate holder. All you gotta do is just take out the screws. In this case, it's an Allen key, but it could be a Phillips head. And behind it, there'll be two Phillips head screws, and then you can pop off the cover, or pop off the plate holder. We'll do that now. So now there's two screws behind. Okay, and now to release the holder, just behind this little hole here, there's two clips, just pull down and it'll come off. Just like that. Okay, now that you've got the factory mounting block off, you'll see two factory holes there. This is when you need your mounting blocks from us. So these only go in one way, so they should fit snug in there. If they fall off, like if I put the other one in there, they fall off, so that's the wrong side. So it should fit in there like a jigsaw puzzle. Same on the other side. Then grab the M6 bolts supplied and screw them into the factory hole. Okay, now I need to explain how the vertical adjusters work. So this is part of the kit, and this will determine where your plates are going to be. So here's a couple of examples. If you want slimline, you may want it, there's a bit of a solid bar across here. You see it there, solid. So some people want it center there. So you need to adjust the vertical adjusters to match the holes on your bracket. If you have, say, bigger plates like Japanese plates, some people want it higher to get more airflow. Some people want it lower so it's centered to the grill, and that's entirely up to you. And this is why this kit comes with the vertical adjusters. So I might do a few things. I might try in a few different positions, make a few tweaks along the way and see how it looks. Okay, so I had to play around. I ended up going a bit higher than I wanted to in the beginning because I think it looks better having the top of the plate line up with the top of the grill there. And having all those little micro adjustments in there will sort of help me go up a little bit as well. So I think I'm gonna go with that. So I'm gonna tighten all the bolts now, and then grab my screws for the corners to get the plate on. you have it. We have successfully removed the ugly factory plate holder and replaced it with our delete kit paired up with one of our mounting brackets. Just make sure you choose the correct bracket to suit your plate, be it Slimline, JDM, Euro, or whatever it may be. We'll have a bracket to suit. And then from there, you can install it the way you like it. Because the vertical adapters are included, you can go up or down, however you like. I just preferred it here, so it's flush with the top, but that's completely up to you. So look, I hope you found this video useful and thanks for watching.